Alright, first world problems here. I have this awesome setup for the fire, but nowhere to put the phone or my beer. I'm gonna make a shelf. Alright, there, I'm using Corian, which is an awesome kitchen countertop material. I'm gonna cut it to 6 1/4. There we go. Oh my god, it cuts like butter. I should have raised the blade a little higher so I wouldn't get this little chip out, but that's okay. I'm rounding off those corners anyway. I'm gonna make 2 shelves, one for each chair. Like butter. Love this material. Corian from DuPont. Look it up. I haven't surfaced this for over a year and a half. Surfacing the sacrificial board, and I'm putting a little edge there so I can butt up the piece against the edge. And there it is. Decided to have this square pattern for the liquid to drop. And there it is. Ready for further processing. Cut off the excess on a bandsaw. And flatten the edge. And put a little roundover on it. This one is like 1/8 of an inch roundover. It comes out really nice. Gonna mount it using the T-slots. And there it is. Came out lovely. It's pretty awesome. Fits my oversized phone well. And it's got those grooves for the liquid. Nice.